Hi everyone, my name is Lillian. I'm an indoor bungee dancing instructor in Richmond, BC. Today I'm going to introduce to you the Canada mat. It's really great for indoor bungee dancing because the floor is super soft. It reduces a lot of impact that we have when we're landing, jumping like this. So for amateur dancers, a lot of clients usually, if they actually not used to indoor bungee dancing, when they jump up, when they land on the floor, regular floor, it's going to hurt their foot. But with this kind of mat, it's really good. It basically reduces the impact that you have, and it's really soft. It's basically really safe for a lot of clients when they first want to try this sport. So also this floor is anti-slippery, so it has more grip than the regular slippery floor. Wooden floor. So if we want to do a run, it has more friction under my foot, so I can safely do a jump and land. So I really recommend this for any gyms that are looking for like a soft mat for any type of sport.